Hey, it's Megan Gravois here in Vacherie, Louisiana on Blackberry Farms. We're just over 50 days into our harvest season. Thought I'd like to show you around and teach you why our family farm is big business. Just like any other business, we have a corporate headquarters, a dress code, and even a company car. Let's take a quick ride in the field and check and see what everybody's up to today.
Greg Gravois. I'm a Louisiana sugarcane farmer. Welcome to my world. Today is Sunday, November 25th. And as usual, 7 days a week from October until first week of January, here we are hauling cane. Why am I doing this? Farming is in my blood. I think I was born with that disease from my dad about 50 years ago. Sugarcane is kind of the backbone of the South Louisiana economy. It's a tropical crop. We get about 70 inches of rain here every year. It's pretty much the only crop we can grow down here. Right now, I'm looking over yesterday's mill report, seeing how many tons of cane we hauled, what our sugar content was, how the mill is doing. It's something we do every day. We not only farm, but we also take care of our own business, take care of the bookwork on the farm, make purchases and whatnot. Every penny counts. That's the way my dad taught me, and that's the same philosophy I use today.
Well, thanks for spending the day with my family, and now you know a little bit about what it takes for my family to feed yours and the big business of family farming.
They just not come.